Then I saw him again in Bollingen, alone. He was absolutely marvelous. I just loved Jung. And I felt so at home sort of with him, and he had this twinkle in his eye, sort of a naughty twinkle. And he also was stubborn. I could see as stubborn as I am. You could tell it in his mouth. The whole, you could say the whole individuation process was on the stone.
A perfect cube. The cube caught my fantasy. This is a Latin inscription. It is a verse by Amaldus de Villanova, a famous physician and alchemist of the early 13th century. He reads, "Here is the stone, the insignificant one, cheap concerning price. It is despised by the stupid, all the more appreciated by the wise." C.G. Jung, from gratitude, has made and put this stone in memory of his 75th birthday. That's it.